What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. 2021, here we are, still feeling the 2020 vibes, but you know, we're trying to be positive. So I thought I would sit down and film a fun little video of what I like to keep in my bag for a long night of festivities, whether it be a long night of drinking, a long night of dancing, mimosas at brunch with the ladies, that leads into the night. 24-hour binger, we've all been there. Don't have any shame in it, girl, we've all been there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I carry in my bag if I know I'm going to be out all night and I want to keep my face looking like this throughout the night. So if you're interested in what products, what are my absolute necessities if I'm going to be out of my house for a few hours, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is the bag that I would take if I know I'm going to be out all night, because this is not my biggest bag, but it is a bag that I would like to haul around if I'm going to be out all night, you know what I mean? I don't want to take a big old duffel bag, who wants, that's not cute, not cute. This is I rarely buy myself nice things. This is the first big purchase I had, but that's not the point of the video. Point of the video is what's inside of her. So let's open her up. And first things first, if I know I'm gonna be out drinking all night, I got to prepare for an anti-hangover. I have an anti-hangover formula, and it's hydrate while you dehydrate. So this is basically like a juice full of really good vegetables and vitamins. So I'll typically take this with me, and I'll try to finish it by the end of the night, or I'll drink it before I start drinking, and then I'll have another one after I'm done drinking. So that's number one. You always have to have those anti-hangover vitamin shots, you know, something that's just gonna keep you coherent. That's rule number one. So another important item I have in here is another, you know, my go-to girl every time I want to touch up my makeup. Also, the makeup products in here are completely essential if I need to go to the restroom and do a little touch up, but I don't like to bring my whole makeup bag, so I only bring the essentials. Essential number one, it's the Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder. This literally filters your face. It looks like the Paris filter on Instagram. I really love this, and obviously I bring the brush along with it. So this is also always in my bag when I'm going out. So this is the Dragon Beauty Face Pressed Powder Palette, and I bring her because it's just so convenient. I don't have to bring a bronzer and a highlighter because this has it all. It also has blush, so this is also very convenient. And the fact that it has a mirror is a bonus because I don't even need to go to the restroom. I could sit at the table shamelessly and touch up my makeup at the table. This is another must-have for a night out. Obviously, I have to have my wallet. We're adults. We all need our IDs. We need our bag, you know? We need our wallets. So this is the brush that I would bring with me to touch up on my bronzer, obviously. What else? What else? We got some perfume. This is the Moonlight perfume by Ariana Grande, and it's just need I say more? I mean, when you're in a club, or when you've been walking from bar to bar, you get a little stinky, okay? I'm not even gonna lie, especially if it's a crowded place. You always want to smell fresh, okay? I like to smell fresh, so I keep a little perfume on me at all times. Come on. Next, you gotta have your hand sanitizer with you on deck at all times. If you don't, what is even your life? Come on. The hand sanitizer, that's a no-brainer. Next, we have some AirPods, because you never know when your man is calling you and you got to, you know, just tune out all the music and have a conversation with him in the bathroom and let him know how much you love him and how badly you can't wait to get home and read the Bible together, as couples should every night. Next, I have one of my favorite masks, oh, this isn't my favorite mask, that's not mine, I don't know how that got on my back. Next is my favorite mask. It matches my outfit. I like to color coordinate my masks sometimes. This one's really cute. I like the masks that still show your eyes, because I think it's kind of sexy. Honestly, a lot of people are anti-mask, and I am totally for the mask, especially when I'm at the gym and guys are like staring at me, you don't deserve to get to see what my face looks like. Like, you're already checking out my body while I'm working out. So the least I can do is cover my face for my safety, for everybody's safety. But also, I think the masks are very, very comfortable for me, in a sense that I don't like people to stare at me. So I think this is, I just love wearing a mask sometimes. Isn't that so like kind of sexy? Like, you could still see, like, with the mask on, you could still see like my eyes look cute. Like, I look kind of decent with a mask on. Come on. The next product I'm gonna pull out is, it's the Fenty Beauty. It's like the oil blotting strips. These come in handy like you would not believe, girlfriend. Like, you need to get this. It doesn't need to be Fenty Beauty. It could be whatever brand. But these, like, whenever I cake my face, I'm sure this happens to everyone, after a while it gets oily. You don't want to be out looking like a greasy chicken wing. So do yourself a favor and get you some blotting strips for whenever you're starting to feel a little oily. Highly recommend. Never leave the house without this, honestly. So next I have this little coin purse that I bought on DHgate. See, this is Louis Vuitton, but this is not real. I don't even think Louis Vuitton makes keychains like this, but I thought it was cute, so I bought it. And this is filled with a ton of quarters, because if you know me, you know I like to play pool. You never know when you're gonna find a pool table and you gotta hustle some guys for some money. So you gotta have your quarters on deck to be ready to play pool at all times. If you're a hustler like me and you're always thinking about when you can make your next dollar, you know, you gotta have a little coin purse. So I always keep a coin purse on me. So next we have a puff bar. I'm not the type that like puffs all day and all night. Oh yeah, what was I saying? I really don't puff usually, but I feel like when I'm drinking, I socially puff. So that's also there. And in case that one dies, you know, you gotta have a backup puff bar. So next I have a hair tie, because you never know when you're gonna have to put your hair up and fight a bitch. You never know. You just never know. So you always gotta have a hair tie. I'm totally kidding, Mom. It was a joke. I always take a hair tie with me in case it gets too hot and I get uncomfortable and I have to put my hair back. But it's really for fighting bitches. Next is, you know, the most obvious. I always have to have my lip combination of the night on deck. You always gotta have a breath mint, especially if you're drinking. If you're drinking and you don't carry breath mints or orange juice, keep your mask on when you talk to me. Keep your mask on when you're drinking. You always gotta have a breath mint. I cannot stand bad breath on myself and other people. And then the last thing is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I talked about this in my 2020 favorites. This is really important to bring with you throughout the night, especially if you want to keep your makeup locked in and mask proof. You just keep reapplying it all night and you're pretty much set. What else do we have in here? The next product is the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collaboration. They're Pygmier. I am shameless and I will sit at the table and, you know, retouch my face because it's my God-given right to. That's also in my bag. Another item I always keep in my bag is my little cowboy Texas girl hat. You know, I feel like this is the vibe in Austin, so I never know when I'm gonna need to bust it out or not, so it's really convenient that it fits in my bag. I'm gonna show you guys another favorite bag of mine. It may look small, but it does also fit so much. It's so crazy how much this bag actually fits. It actually fits so much stuff, like, and it's really cute and convenient to take around because it's really light and small. So let's open her up and see what's in this bag as well. Okay, so one of our first items is another Jeffree Star lip gloss. We have money, obviously. Poop bags for my dogs in case they decide to come with me somewhere, which is pretty often. numbing cream from when I go get my Kuka lasered. Let's see what else. My Jaclyn Hill palette. So convenient to have this in case like I get a drink thrown in my face. I can just retouch my eyeshadow real quick. So that's also really cool that it fits in here. Let's see what else I got in here. I haven't really used this bag in a minute, so let's see what else I got. A picture of Josh from our trip to Colorado, just in case like I go out with the girls and I miss him too much. I like to always keep this on me and remember great times and remember him and how much I love him. If you can't be there in person, I just like set this on the table and it's like he's there with me. And yeah, I love it. I love this bag too. All right, so last item of what's in my mini bag. Let's see. We have a little pillow because you never know if you're gonna get too drunk and fall asleep in the Uber and you don't want to like wake up with like a kink in your neck. Or if you want to take a quick nap while your friends are partying in the club, you could just put your head down comfortably at the table. So it's very convenient. So yeah, that's pretty much my essential items for a long night out. The majority of them are beauty items. The rest of them you might not think are essential, but they do come in handy. Don't judge me, I don't judge you. Let's have a judge-free 2021. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video. One more thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The more you guys like and engage with my videos, it helps my YouTube algorithm, and your girl needs some help. If you could just like, comment, and subscribe, turn your post notifications on, that would really help me. So thank you so much if you've already done that. Thank you so much if you've already liked this video. If you're already subscribed, from the bottom of my heart, it really means so much to me because I really do enjoy making YouTube videos and I want to continue making YouTube videos. I just need a little push. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.